What causes hiccups? Your diaphragm, that's the muscle beneath your lungs, right, beneath your heart. That muscle can be activated by anything, and hiccups just honestly arise from these muscles being activated and contracting on their own. And then they push air, they expel air out from your lungs, right? And they actually hit on the vocal cords, and that's what makes the sound. Closure of your vocal cords. So it's air, your diaphragm is basically just contracting, it's being activated, it's basically just contracting, and it's forcing air up out of your mouth, and then the air kind of hits your vocal cords and makes a sound. A whole lot of pathologies can be involved with hiccups, but most of the time they're just natural, asymptomatic. Yeah.